Hello my friends, thank you for being here. I'm Chef Julio with the Hometown Chef, and today I'm going to make something very cool. I'm going to make something that is going to be refreshing because the summer is coming, it's getting hot, and we need something good to our system that, can help to refresh. And this is ceviche. Okay, for all these people that don't know what ceviche is basically raw seafood. Usually it's seafood. Sometimes people use meat on it, but it's kind of unusual. So it's seafood, shrimp, fish. You can use conch. You can use octopus, mussels, whatever you want. Okay, but it had to be raw. And then we are going to cook that raw meat with acidity, okay, instead of heat. So where are we gonna get this acidity? We're gonna get it out of fruits, lemons, limes, oranges, pineapple, okay. Some fruits have more acid than other fruits, and that's what I'm gonna use some lemon or lime juice to make this, but you can add flavors to it. You can add some pineapple juice, some orange juice, whatever you can use is fresh and you can squeeze, use it for it, okay? Just give him some time, and that amazing fruit from God is gonna help you to, do the whole process, okay? So basically, you're gonna cook the raw meat with acidity, okay? So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go through the process, but I want to tell you what else we're gonna add to the ceviche, okay? There's many ways to do ceviche. Different countries have different ways to do ceviche, and I'm gonna do it my way, okay? So, we have some fresh cilantro, okay, over here. We have some red onion, tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little jalapeno to do a little, kick to it. I am going to add cucumber to my ceviche, and the reason it is because the cucumber, for some reason, add this freshness to it, and it's amazing. So if you try it at home, you're gonna love it. We have some lemon juice that I already squeezed because it takes time, so I already did it. And we're gonna use shrimp and codfish, okay, bacalao. Also, we're going to garnish with some fried plantain chips, and it's going to be beautiful. Okay, so if you're ready to make this amazing ceviche, I'm ready too. So let's do this. Okay, so here we are. So we have everything that we need to make the amazing ceviche we're gonna make, okay? The cucumbers over here, I diced them in big dice. Jalapeno, I use small dice for the jalapenos. Fresh cilantro, I chop it up. Don't kill it, just, rough chop. On the shrimp, okay? I use a medium shrimp, I peel the shrimp, and I basically took the tail off. You don't want to put anything on the ceviche that you're not gonna eat, okay? So don't put the tail, don't put anything on the fish, no bones or nothing. You don't want to be like picking out of that, okay? You want to enjoy what you're eating. So and then that medium shrimp, I cut it like kind of like in three. The tomatoes, I use kind of like small to medium dice, and on the codfish, I use like big dice. Okay? Okay, so let's do this. Codfish, let's put it here. I'm using a clear container so you can see. This is a big measuring cup, but I mean not a cup because it's bigger than a cup. But I am using it because I want you to see what I'm doing over here. Okay? Codfish, add the shrimp. Okay? And then let's add some cucumbers to it. Let's add jalapeno. Okay, I took the seeds out of the jalapeno because I don't want it super spicy, but I like the flavor of the jalapeno. Tomatoes also have acidity on it, so it's gonna help to break down the seafood. And let's add now some lemon juice. Okay, and mix it up. Basically what you want to do is to, I like to kind of like cover to the top the ceviche, okay? The shrimp and the cod, because you have to make sure that the acidity, the juice goes everywhere, okay? And I'm going to add some cilantro, fresh cilantro, and then we're gonna mix it up. Okay, a little bit more cilantro. You know what I like about this is that it's fresh. Everything is fresh. You're not using anything that is cooked or is processed. Everything is fresh and delicious. Okay, we're gonna add to it salt, pepper, okay? Everything is to taste. I kind of know how much I want, but you're gonna have to try it, okay? Don't be afraid to put your finger in there and try it. But you need some salt in there. And you're also gonna need some black pepper. Okay, black pepper. You not only give the spice to it, but the flavor of the black pepper is awesome. Okay? And try to use fresh ground. It's always better. Okay? So I'm gonna add something that I always like, Tabasco. It's not only for the spice, it's just Tabasco have a very amazing flavor. And I have a vinegar base. So the vinegar, one more time, acid, okay? So, here we are, ceviche. I'm gonna add a little bit more of lemon juice to it. And also by looking at the color, I'm gonna add more tomatoes. Actually, I'm gonna add the whole thing. I use basically one whole tomato, Roma tomato on this. And why not a little bit more cilantro? Okay, more black pepper. Let's do more black pepper. I want to see that black pepper in there. Okay, you can add some fresh garlic if you want. It's not necessary. I mean, like I said, you can add so many things to it. Okay, you can add pineapple, you can add orange juice, avocado. You can do whatever you want. But this is the one we're doing today. Okay, and don't be afraid. Perfect. Okay. Okay, and very important over here. Onions, okay? We cannot forget the onions. I almost forget the onions because these onions, after I cut them, they're so fresh that they were almost killing my eyes. The smell is amazing, okay? But onions are part of the ceviche. It's very important to put them in there and don't forget about them. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit, and I'm gonna cover this with some plastic wrap, and after that we're gonna put it in the fridge, okay, refrigerator. You want like at least 3 hours ahead. You can leave it overnight, it's gonna get more flavor to it, but you want that to cook and all the flavors dissolve and mix and get all together before you eat it. Remember, we are eating raw fish basically and seafood, okay? So you want to make sure that acidity of the lemon or the lime or whatever acidity you're using is gonna do the job, okay? So you're gonna have to give some time to it. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna cover it at least for 3 hours. Okay, my friends, here we are with the ceviche. It's been in the fridge like around for 2 hours, okay? It's been basically going through the process of cooking through the acidity of the lemon juice in this case. And this is a good example of how science and art get together. That's what it basically cooking is, okay? It's science and art, okay? So instead of using the element of heat to cook something, we're doing basically the same, but with the acidity of the lemon juice, okay? And honestly, 45 minutes to me, it's good enough. 2-3 hours is perfect if you are afraid or you want to make sure everything's cooked. If you leave it 24 hours, it's gonna cook more and more, and all the flavors are gonna be mixing a lot more. But 2 hours is enough, okay? You're gonna see also that the color of the meat is gonna be changing. When I say meat, I'm talking about the fish and the shrimp in this case, okay? And I'm gonna serve this in this beautiful martini glass that I have over here, so you can see how this is gonna look, how beautiful it is. Do it at home, enjoy this because it's beautiful, refreshing. Like I said, the good thing about this, it is all natural, it's all fresh. You don't have any product that is processed, or you don't have anything that is not real, okay? So we're gonna decorate this with some beautiful plantain chips right here, and these plantain chips that I love so much. I'm gonna make maybe another video another time, basically to explain how to make the plantain chips, but it's a very easy process. And here we are, beautiful ceviche. I hope you enjoy it and like it. It's beautiful. If you want to add a little bit more of the juice, you can do this, okay? All the flavors are right there. But like I said, everybody do a different kind of ceviche. Every country that is exposed to the fabulous ceviche gonna have a different recipe. But like I always said, there's no recipes. There's everything that you like is what you put in there. And it's like wine. The best wine is the wine you like, not the price. I love this because it's fresh, because everything in here is natural and it's refreshing. Like I say, I put cucumber on this one, and the cucumber is definitely, when you try it, it's gonna give you this fresh, freshness on the ceviche. So I hope you enjoy this beautiful ceviche that I made today, and don't forget to watch us next time and to subscribe and like us and be part of this beautiful project that we're doing over here, making good stuff every time. Okay, so Cheers.